Deep in the heart of the countryside lies one of the world's largest wild boar farms.
The journey begins with the birth of a new generation of brown wild boars.
Dedicated caretakers monitor the health of every newborn from day one.
The young boars are full of energy, developing the strong muscles characteristic of the breed.
Nutrition is strictly controlled to ensure optimal growth rates for the herd.
Weaker piglets receive extra attention and hand feeding to help them catch up.
The nursery sector is designed to mimic the wild boar's natural nesting environment.
Hygiene is paramount, with bedding changed daily to prevent disease.
Rest is just as important as food for these rapidly growing animals.
Protective instincts remain strong, preserving the wild nature of the species.
As they wean off milk, they are introduced to a specialized grain mixture.
Careful record keeping tracks the lineage and health of every litter.
As night falls, the breeding grounds quiet down under the open sky.
Moving to the raising pastures, the adolescent boars have more room to roam.
Feeding time is a massive operation, requiring tons of natural grain daily.
Their diet is supplemented with vegetables and roots to mimic foraging.
Strong fences are essential, as wild boars are powerful and clever animals. Fronts relieving lacus. Natural behaviors like dominance displays are common as males reach maturity.
Clean water is available on demand through automated systems. Rotational grazing keeps the pastures healthy and reduces parasite risks.
Selective breeding programs ensure the strongest genetics are passed down.
Their thick, coarse coats protect them from the elements year-round.
Access to wooded areas allows them to express natural rooting instincts.
Only high-quality, mold-free grains are used in their diet.
During peak summer heat, misters keep the animals cool and comfortable.
Ample shade is provided to prevent heat stress.
Waste management is automated to maintain high sanitation standards.
As seasons change, extra bedding is added for insulation.
Their hardy nature makes them well suited to various weather conditions.
Regular weighing ensures they hit the target mass for processing.
Specialized veterinarians visit weekly to inspect the herd.
Visual inspections catch any early signs of illness or injury.
Any animal showing symptoms is immediately isolated for treatment.
Vaccinations and treatments are administered promptly to maintain herd immunity.
Hoof health is critical for heavy animals kept on outdoor terrain.
Advanced imaging technology confirms pregnancies early.
Recovering animals receive a special diet until they are fully healed.
Every medical intervention is digitally logged for traceability.
When they reach market weight, transport trucks arrive for collection. Stress-free handling during loading prevents damage to the meat quality. The animals are loaded into ventilated trailers for the journey. The journey to the processing facility is kept as short as possible. From the farm to the city, the journey is nearly complete. Upon arrival, the truck enters the sanitized receiving zone. Hygiene standards shift to clinical precision inside the processing plant. Animals are given a rest period to reduce stress levels before processing.
A network of conveyor belts moves cuts to specific workstations. Excess fat is trimmed to meet lean meat specifications.
Human eyes double-check the machine's work for perfection.
The meat is ground to a specific coarseness for burgers and sauces.
Secret spice blends are mixed in for their signature wild boar sausages. High-speed stuffers fill casings in fractions of a second.
The links are twisted to uniform lengths automatically.
Workers ensure every sausage meets the visual standard.
Dicing machines create perfect cubes for stews and curries. Precise weighing ensures customers get exactly what they pay for. The premium cuts are hand-placed into display trays. Automated labelers apply branding and nutritional information. The sealed packages are durable and leak-proof.
Metal detectors scan every package for safety assurance.
Expiry dates are printed for inventory tracking.
Retail packs are boxed up for bulk distribution.
Boxes are sealed and ready for the warehouse.
Pallets are stacked high, ready for transport.
Plastic wrapping stabilizes the load for the truck.
The cold storage facility holds tons of product at sub-zero temperatures. Daily shipments are dispatched to retailers across the country.
The product is now on its way to consumers.
Shoppers appreciate the unique option of wild game meat.
Wild boar meat is a premium product, prized for its flavor.
Its distinct texture and rich taste make it a favorite.
At home, the meat is ready for preparation.
Simple seasoning highlights the natural game flavors. Pan searing locks in the juices, or grilled over an open flame for that smoky taste. Cooked to perfection,
tender and delicious.
A healthy, lean protein source for the whole family.
This is the result of dedicated wild boar farming.